In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade XAUUSD on TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do is connect to your broker. So I'm going to go to the trade button top right, and here you have a bunch of different brokers you can connect to. Of course, I do have separate video tutorials on my channel teaching you how to connect to these, so you can go watch those first. I'm just going to connect to paper trading because I do think that's going to be the easiest way for now with demo funds. There we go. And then to trade XAUUSD, first you want to populate the chart with it. So go to the top left and click on this symbol search and type in XAUUSD, okay? Like that, and as you can see here, if I go to all, you'll see XAUUSD gold. You have a bunch of different ones. Pick the one that you want. I'm gonna go with Oanda over here, so I'm gonna click on it, and it's gonna get on the chart over here. Now, of course, you can open up the trading panel by clicking trade top right, and then here you can select if you want to either buy or sell. Then you can select your order type like market, limit, or stop, and of course you can then select the amount of units, or of course the price where you want to buy or sell, and then you have exits like take profits, stop losses, etc. And whenever you're ready, just hit the buy button down here, or of course you could do the sell button as well if you are selling. And that's how to trade XAUUSD on TradingView. Okay, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.